Important announcement. Creative break after 7 years. Hello dear Daily Tangler community. After an incredible 7 years of daily videos, I'm taking a creative break. During this time, you can explore a rich archive of daily videos from the past years and draw inspiration. Whether you're a beginner or a long-time Daily Tangler, there's something for everyone. The break starts on December 31st, and during this period, I invite you to browse through the extensive collection. Discover your favorite patterns, learn something new, and let the inspiration flow. Don't worry. During this time, I'll not only deepen my artistic skills, but also explore ways in which we can continue this journey together. Financial support is crucial, and in the coming time, I'll be gathering ideas and exploring options. Your support and creativity are particularly valuable during this phase. To ensure you don't miss any updates, subscribe to my channel. I'll keep you informed during the break and share all details transparently. Thank you for your continuous support and creativity. I look forward to coming back with fresh energy and new ideas. See you soon. Mimi.